Hello there. Weather headlines over the last couple of days have been dominated by the effects of Storm Kathleen. Yes, we had heavy rain, we had gale force gusts of winds producing some rough seas with gusts in excess of 60 to 70 mile an hour, but it was warm with it for some. In fact, in East Anglia, we saw a high of 21 Celsius, warmest day of the year so far. Now, as we go through the week ahead, it's going to stay pretty unsettled, particularly to begin with. It's often going to be quite wet and windy, and it will be a little bit cooler for all of us. However, towards the end of the week, we are set to see something milder return for some of us, something to look forward to. Before that, though, we've got this deepening low pressure down to the southwest, and that's going to bring yet more wet weather to come. Gale force gusts of winds to begin with across the northwest of Scotland into the Northern Isles. Heaviest of the rain across the southwest, moving up through Wales and into the Irish Sea. There'll also be a spell of showery rain pushing across the Midlands into East Anglia as well. Highest temperatures through Monday afternoon, 17 degrees. Now, the heaviest of the rain looks likely to develop Monday evening and overnight. So we'll see a spell of wet weather which will linger for a time across northern England and southern Scotland. So that is going to continue to be a feature. And as that low pressure continues to drift north and east, we see the wind direction changing, a northwesterly. And that northwesterly is going to push the mild air back over into Eastern Europe. Somewhat cooler conditions set to take over. So Tuesday is not going to be a particularly pleasant day. There'll be a lot of heavy rain across much of Scotland, northern England for a time, and plenty of showers further south. And the wind's quite strong, gusts of wind quite widely, 40 mile an hour plus in places. So a windy day, a cooler day because of the source of that wind as well, 8 to 12 degrees at the very best. Moving out of Tuesday into the early hours of Wednesday, we start off quite quiet. The best of the sunshine into eastern areas, yet more wet weather will arrive from the west. That's going to bring some rain into Northern Ireland, western fringes of Scotland, down through Wales, southwest England. Driest for longest across eastern Scotland and eastern England. The heaviest of the rain further north and west. Here, still coolish, 8 to 12 degrees. Further south, we're looking at a maximum of just 14. But as we move into Thursday and that front clears away, a quieter spell of weather with high pressure trying to build in from Europe. And that has the potential to allow this warmer southwesterly airflow to squeeze its way back across the country. So there's a potential for quite a lot of cloud around on Thursday, but on the whole, it will be drier with just a few isolated showers. There will be some breaks, some sunshine coming through, and temperatures will respond because you have 17 degrees into Scotland and northeast England, 19 perhaps somewhere across East Anglia. Out of Thursday into Friday, that high pressure is going to hang on into the south, which means that the wettest of the weather as we look further ahead is always likely to be to the far north and west. There will be some wintry precipitation to higher ground from time to time as we see some cooler spells of weather. But all in all, it's not going to be quite as severe as it has been. Back to something typical more of April sunshine and showers with the potential for that warmth across southern parts of England. That's it. Take care.